how to turn on or turn off Facebook email notifications on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page. Go to the top corner here, click on settings and privacy, click here on settings. Now go to here on notifications, click on notifications. After you click on notifications, now all what you have to do is go right here and scroll down until you find this email option. Now you can disable, as you can see, the email notifications. From here you can choose comments or whatever notifications, or you can disable all. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.